Bisan ang ulamin ng Pilipinas, this is worth fighting and dying for. And we have, if you do that, you will live. And with that, I would like to ask you, those can you face back, and repeat after me. Repeat after me. Nanay, tatay. Louder. Nanay, tatay. I love you. I will honor you to the rest of your lives. Again, I will honor you to the rest of your life. I will continue to respect you and take care of you to your old age.